Got to get one of these.
Absolutely, you have to get one. I just need some more of your drinking tequila or rum.
I think this is wrong.
Got it, baby. So how about I make you the best, freshest piña colada you've had in your life?
Do it.
I got you.
Do you mind if I record you doing it?
Absolutely.
I won't put your face on it.
Absolutely.
I won't put your face on it.
Why? I got this beautiful face.
Okay. Okay. Hang on.
Baby, just so you know, this is the best and freshest because we're only using your pineapple to make it, okay, baby?
Okay.
Nothing's been processed, everything is natural. The only thing that's going to hurt you is the rum you put in.
Outstanding, outstanding.
And just so you know, you're going to get a double shot in there, all right, love?
Woo!
Cambia la receta. No hagas lo que tenías que hacer. Lo conozco ya. Ahí está bien. Tritura la primera y después le añadimos la piña. Ahora sí no la tapes, porque la presión va a parar la manita. Ahora la cierras bien.
Oh, that's cool.
She got a little crazy for you and spilled on the side.
That's all right. That's all right. I got it all. You guys have a trash over there. Get rid of the bad drink that I didn't know I was supposed to come get first.
Right.
But I know now.
I want you to take a sip out of this before you hand over a
Hang on.
May, if you have a chance, we're on Google Maps. Leave us a review.
I just so I do put things on YouTube.
Yeah.
So I just put you doing this on YouTube, if you don't mind.
Not at all.